Today we're making a coconut fish curry. So we've got a couple pounds of catfish fillets here, 2 medium onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a tablespoon of grated ginger. We have our curry powder that's pre-mixed. So 2 tablespoons of curry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of masala. We have 1 tomato chopped, little chili powder for a little added heat, basil, 2 cups of coconut milk, and the juice from 1 lime. And then salt to taste. So we'll start out with sauteing all of our onions, garlic, and ginger in our pressure cooker. So we will saute our onions until they're just done. And after that, we'll add in our dry ingredients. All right, so the onions are done, we've caramelized, and we're adding the dry ingredients. We'll cook those for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant, and then we'll move on. All right, so all of our ingredients are cooked, and we're going to deglaze the bottom of the pan with the coconut milk. Deglazing will lift all of those stuck parts off the bottom and put them back into our sauce. Okay, so now we've got the coconut milk. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. So that's 1 tomato chopped. We're going to add some basil. This is dried basil. If you have fresh basil, then you add it towards the beginning. And then we add our fish fillets. Okay, we toss these to coat them. And we'll put the lid on our pressure cooker. So for those of you who haven't used a pressure cooker, the lid fits on snug, but you have to turn it 90 degrees, and then it goes right in. You turn it and lock it into place. So this will cook at 5 minutes on low pressure or 2 minutes on high pressure. So when the valve starts to lift, we'll count 2 minutes and we'll turn it off. Okay, it's been done cooking for 2 minutes at high pressure. So once it's done, we need to relieve the pressure so it stops cooking. So to do that, I just put my fork underneath here. It's gonna get really loud. And I just let it lift. Okay, so the pressure's all relieved off of it. You can take the valve off and then open it up. So it's easy to open the pressure cooker. Again, just reverse the steps. Start here, turn it 90 degrees, and then pull it right off. And that's our final product. All right, so once it's done, we go ahead and add our lime juice or lemon juice. Get that a little mix. And then a little bit of salt.